A while ago I watched a video by Robert Murray Smith where he took a magnet and an inductor and made a really simple surface speaker, and that inspired me to make my own. So I made one from a regular speaker that I modified, put a support structure and a little aluminum spacer, as well as this sticky pad in the bottom foot. Put a little Bluetooth module on the top so I can actually connect to my phone without having wires hanging around. It works pretty good. The surface you put it on really makes a big difference. Some surfaces have high end and other ones have a lot more bass. Also, where you put it determines the frequency range. I think my hand was in the way of the microphone, so I'm going to take another shot and hopefully you can hear it better. I find the best sound quality comes from Windows. Sorry for the shitty autofocus, I'm using a cell phone. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good night.